What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Man, I'm come back with another video. Shout out to that boy Evan and Mary. We about to hop straight into this video, man. The Dreadlock journey tips on how to grow your dreads fast, man. Of course, I uploaded my videos on how to, you know what I'm saying, tips and tricks with the dreads and things of that nature. I'm just looking forward to more information out there. So make sure you hit that like button for me down below. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications. Let's hop straight into this. Make sure I go subscribe to Evan Amiri's channel. Let's go.
YouTube, it's your boy Evan Amiri, back again with another banger for y'all boys. You feel me? And as y'all seen by the title and the thumbnail, I got a nice little dread journey video for y'all boys. Feel me? As y'all see, like right now, I'm kind of like going through my little freeform thing. You know, I don't really like getting retwists too much no more, especially like.
Why don't nobody like getting retwists like that?
I think I got it. Oh no, I ain't got one since January. That's a nice long time. But yeah, in this video I'm gonna be showing y'all like my journey, like how I started my dreads. You know,
don't nobody like getting retwists. That's why you need the Up Next multi-purpose beanie. First link in the description.
Like that level of, I don't even know, like tips and tricks on, you know, things that I learned as I was making my own way. But in this first picture right here, you see like
that butt ain't have no hair.
First, or not before I had the dreads, you see like I had a little fro. My fro was low key
weak.
It's just weak. The perfect timing. I started my dreads during quarantine. Unfortunately, y'all don't got that. Like unless COVID just come back again and just slap the whole world, y'all.
He wild for that. He wild for saying that.
So, well, I would suggest when you're in this ugly stage, you feel me? I would suggest like get a do-rag. A do-rag got so many purposes too.
Don't get that, man. Get an Up Next multi-purpose beanie, bro. So look. Let me go and tell y'all, right? I'm gonna let the video roll, right? Let me go and tell y'all, bro. The do-rag is going to be too tight for your dreads. I don't care if you at 1 month or 1 year or 2 years. The do-rag is always too tight for the dreads. Always. That's why I came up with the Up Next multi-purpose beanie, bro.
And y'all can't even tell for real because I got what 151 dreads. I got so many dreads. They look so full that y'all can't even tell I got sky top or a high top. Feel me? Some people be hitting it. I don't think there's nothing wrong with it. But
he said sky top. Stop it.
And then what? Okay, so next y'all see this is when I started. I'm starting on pro where this was the worst stage. This was so ugly, bro. Like I didn't have
even get worms.
I was during quarantine, but bro, if I had to go to school like this, I don't think I would have my dreads right now because the other stage is something bad. Well, I was just.
But I had to go to school with it, boy. I had to make this shit work.
Also, especially when you first
I had to play sports with it.
Done, you need to make sure you have a do-rag on because they'll unravel quickly.
Oh God! Make sure you lock in, man.
A do-rag or a bonnet. Bonnet is good too. You use a bonnet to like keep your hair down and things of that nature. This picture right here, this was like a couple months after that initial retwist, and as y'all see, my hair was locked up already. Like,
it was locked for sure. It definitely locked fast.
Like, after I got that initial twist, my hair locked up in like I want to say a month or two. I cannot tell y'all like what I did, but in
nothing, nigga. Your shit just nappy, nigga. You a nigga. That's what's going on. That's why your shit lock up so fast. You a nigga.
One thing I do think maybe is because a lot of people will start a lot because they think don't wash your hair. Please wash your hair, bro. That is so nasty. Not washing your hair. Alright, like black people, y'all not supposed to wash your hair.
Hold on, time out, bro.
But with dreads, please make sure you're washing your hair. It's not just like all.
We can't really tell if you washing your hair or not because your hair died. You feel me? So you could have been one of them niggas who had really bad hair and just was like, fuck it, I'm just about to dye this shit. And everybody know once you dye locks, it's gonna make it look fine. Everybody know dyeing locks is the cheat code.
But when you wash your hair, it dries out. And dreads are just dry, dead hair. Like that's what it is. So maybe me washing my hair so much led to it locking up that fast.
I wouldn't call it or dried hair. I just call it goddamn.
In this video, y'all see I'm just like twisting at it to give it like that look right there. Y'all see that.
Cause it depends on your locks. It depends on, you know.
And yeah, we'll get into the next video or a picture. In this picture right here,
shit started growing.
My dreads started to stand up and have like a more freeform look. Like I was trying to get my dreads to look like NBA YoungBoys in 2019. Like y'all know like how this freeform.
You really did.
That's how I was trying to get my
no
look.
cap.
And like once I got this by letting my hair lock up, and then I just like slept with no do-rag, nothing on my head.
You let this shit lock up, then you just let it throw up. You feel me?
It would be like this
just
for
throw up
a while until they would end up like getting long enough to
they drop. Yeah.
So,
told you, I'm tapped in forever.
This video right here is y'all see like I'm gaining length and stuff, and my hair starting to drop down. And it's still kind of like.
But you ain't got no retwist in about 3 months.
From that point where I started my locks till
your
now,
front taper look terrible.
No retwist, so there's still like a lot of new growth in there.
I ain't gonna cap it, brother. Like you started out with a front taper and like yo first, the second, the third month, nigga. Like you supposed to get a front taper in like a year or two, nigga. You tripping.
First retwist, bro. This
that's hard.
So amazing.
That's hard.
At the top.
Yeah, okay.
Bro, like if I would have realized like how my hair would have grown, like,
it was
this
decent hard.
Really good to me. It wasn't even that good, man. I mean, not like the retwist. The retwist looked good. The growth in my hair, shit on my cousin, she did amazing. But
hair length.
The dreads are short. Y'all see like twists.
It be the hair length, bro.
I would suggest getting a style most of the time because
get the style
it just makes
100%
your
of the time.
fresher for longer. So like the retwist look will last longer if you like that. Most of the time I get 2-strand twists because the twist out be looking magnifico. I don't think that's how you say that, but yeah, that's how the my first retwist would end up looking. And yeah, let me move on to the next video.
You got it hard,
music. About in the previous clip of like what your hair looks like after you take out the 2-strand twist.
Alright though, my nigga. It sound like you trying to get you copyrighted with these hard ass beats.
When you first take them out the twist.
So we gonna have to end it beat show.
And like how you get this is basically you just get 2-strand twists in your head. Like that.
You scaring me. Okay.
You like showing off my cut.
Okay.
Just for all dreadheads.
Okay.
Get a taper hairline. Don't just like. I just seen a dude like randomly earlier. Like, I just seen him. He started his dreads right on his hairline. That is the #1 way to get your hairline pushed back and your dreads cut, bro. Make sure you get a taper hairline. Mine.
Your shit pushed back.
You need to cut, but yeah, y'all see like make sure you get a taper hairline. But yeah,
most of the time taper hairlines be pushed back. Like, or even mine, it's pushed back a little bit more than it's supposed to. I swear to God. But nah, man, make sure y'all go watch his full video, bro. Shout out to bro for showing and giving us tips. Shout out to that boy Evan and Mary. You dig what I'm saying? Go search up his channel. Go subscribe to him. Shout out to bro for just coming through with the Dreadlock journey. Showing us pictures, showing us everything. Shout out to y'all for coming through as well. Make sure that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, comment, which I would like to see down below. Catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.